Have you ever wondered why German has gendered articles? Let's explore the evolution of gender articles in the German language. In the beginning, der Mann and die Frau were created. Together they became die Eltern because they had das Kind. But der Mann wanted more than just the article der. The man wanted more power and more influence. So, the accusative case was created by turning der Mann into den Mann. The woman, on the other hand, kept her article die, and the child kept das, and plural stays also die. Only masculine changes its form in the accusative into den. But der and den were not enough for the man. He wanted even more influence. So the dative case was created, in which der becomes dem. Now the man was finally satisfied with his 3 articles. But then the woman noticed that she wanted an additional article as well. One is simply not enough. It's time for a revolution. This is the birth of grammatical transgender, because die is transformed into der. The child also grows older and now wants to be like the father. So in dative, das becomes also dem. If the plural would be a person, it would be now so confused by all these changes that it becomes schizophrenic. And as a consequence, the plural in dative looks like an accusative masculine. Let me give you now an overview of all the articles in the different declinations. Der becomes den becomes dem. Die stays die becomes der. Das stays das and becomes dem. And finally die stays die becomes den. See you next time at Tristan.school. And remember, we are proud on you.